Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to talk about J-20. J-20 is a Chinese fighter jet. It was manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry in 2009. According to 2018, its price is $100 million. It is outfitted with two Shenyang engines. It consumes 40,000 pound-force of power to fly. It has maximum speed about 2,469 km per hour. Its travel range is 5,926 km. It can go up to 66,000 feet in altitude. Normally payload on this jet is 12,700 kilograms. It is a single-seat fighter jet. Its exterior length is 75.46 feet. Okay friends, it was J-20. We will meet soon in our next video.